I suggest we let her be.
Let her be? Did you hear your daughter has traveled abroad just like that?
Perhaps she went there to cool off or nurse herself. I mean, she will come back someday. Perhaps she went there to cool off, to nurse herself.
Mommy, Dad is right. I feel she needs some time to herself.
I want my daughter back home. I want to be seeing her in her father's house. I need my daughter. What is going on? I think I will go there and look for her. Yes!
Please, sweetheart. Our daughter is right, okay? Don't worry yourself. Eat your food. Look at mine. The mama is almost gone. Very sumptuous meal that you've prepared for us. Please, eat.
Mom, stop worrying yourself. You worry too much. Maybe she just wants her private time. And she'll probably come around when everything is settled. So cheer out, Mom. I'm here for you. Here. Come on. Stop, Mom.
I'm jealous.
Alright, so wife, feed your husband. Husband, feed your wife.
No. You don't know that you are my wife also.
Yes.
My second wife. No. Third.
No.
Sonia is second.
Dad, I'm your first wife.
You are taking your mom.
We're not dragging positions.
Can you imagine? Can you give me what your mother has given me?
I say I don't want another woman apprentice. What did they worry you?
Come in, no one could let my friend. You need to look the girl. Fine girl. You need to get passion, get passion for the job.
You dey crazy, Ebube. And when they make it easy. I say I don't want any woman apprentice again. You alone are big trouble for me. You can't go bring another person. Come person will come through your hand. I no want.
You know, sister, I tell you say you no go agree. The man stubborn where you no agree. Guy stubborn. You no agree. If you like, maybe mama come beggar, you no go agree. You know, sir, bring the drink more, drink calm. Bring money more.
Drink calm. Carry and go, drink and do anything you want with him. But don't bring this guy here, make she can't learn work from my hand again. Before you they drink the drink, they get drunk. Take this thing, go buy me fuel. 10 liters, so I go use to drive those cars. Do quick, oh. Ebube, come. Oh, you're here, Ebube. Ebube Chukwu.
Ogami.
Ebube Chukwu.
Oga, no deaf now, they hear you.
Ebube Chukwu, buy me 10 liters of fuel, oh. Not buy 8 liters, and I don't want to wait for you for this place.
Ogami, I know deaf.
Go buy this.
Susan, see, you go buy this fuel now. You understand? This is like you go buy this fuel. 10 liters.
You know, Safi sound you like this. I send you a message, they say another person may go, my friend. Okay, come on, go buy the fuel, I tell you.
Why did you reject me?
I say I don't want you to work under me. Is that a crime? If you insist on becoming a woman mechanic, there are other mechanic workshops everywhere. Go and apply for one.
Do you know I'm a woman?
This girl is crazy. I don't get.
Like you just talk to people the way you like. Are you a monster? What do I even call you? What kind of person are you?
I see say I see finish. I don't allow you enter this workshop. Now make you they talk to me anyhow. You stand before me for my workshop, they talk rubbish. You they crazy. Come on for here.
Whether you like it or not, I will walk under you. You will teach me and I will humbly learn. This is your drink.
For my own workshop?
That is your drink.
Which can get me? Come carry your useless drink over for here. Oh, you can't let work. Make us see whether by force I go teach you work. What did they give this girl morale? Make us see you here again.
There are things that cannot be, no matter you build them. You can only drag a horse to the stream, but you cannot force him to drink water.
What did I get?
How far now? What did happen?
I no understand that language. Which one be waiting the apple? Who get that nonsense alpha? See, where at the day they watch you use where you that customer dey do. Where they money for the work?
I don't do any work. Boy, they pay, I don't do any work, guy. I go there, man, do the work. Woman, they talk and yeah, say something to do. Let me take the car now. Take the car. Don't say anything to do. She did a para, they talk and yeah. I don't get her time now. Now she say, yeah, man, go wake up. I can't go get sleep. Madam, Oga dey sleep. Oga dey sleep.
It's all you talk no make sense. If person say, may you go call Oga, it's your body Oga now.
I'll go with Oga where they sleep. Like say get typhoid.
No, that one be my concentration. No, yeah, what she dey talk. Say, she go check call customer car. She tell customer say no, nothing dey do. You don't see the reason where I did intentionally lose engine. Then I go make sure I leave the engine for her to tight. Well, maybe she forgets small sense. Because I don't see say her problem be say she no get sense.
You know, we no get sense.
Which person we weave head like this. We weave another hair like this. Go leave the middle. The center no get brain.
I don't see where get sense now. Go, gigi. You get sense. As you dey, so you get sense.
Go customer where you go tell say if you don't tell and say the thing they affect something, you go tell and say they affect engine block or something. You go tell and say no, nothing they do the motor. So as Oga don waka come out now, how want take get money we go take chow? How you go get money take chow?
We need to chop.
Yeah, they do that one. I want you.
Me, shut up. No, me, shut up. I think they shut up.
Nanny and wine has to go get shut up.
One day I go lose this hand. I go lose this hand. I swear to God. Oga go say No problem. The girl, they look me, they tell me Sasara.
And the main thing.
Fasting without prayer points.
There are things that cannot be, no matter you build them. You can only drag a horse to the stream, but you cannot force it.
What do you know? You're working.
Yes, Auntie.
I want to go to the market. I'll be back very soon. Your food is in your room.
Okay.
If you want to eat.
Thank you, ma.
And where is your friend?
Oh, she stepped out early in the morning. She wants to do some transaction.
It's alright. I'll soon be back.
Okay, ma.
Take care of yourself.
I sure will.
When you're hungry, go and eat.
Have a nice day.
I'll be back.
Okay.
This world, understand that life does not start from where you are. There are things that cannot be, no matter you build them. You can only drag a horse to the stream, but you cannot force it.
Baby, what is it?
My account has been frozen.
Are you serious?
I'm just coming from the bank and they told me that my father asked them to freeze it.
Is that why you are crying? No, don't cry. Don't worry, everything is going to be fine.
Why did I cry? I didn't know that we're planning to travel.
My love, don't worry. See, I'm going to try and make sure that I provide for us. I'm going to try and make sure that we don't lack anything. Alright? Don't worry. Everything is going to be fine. Why are you crying? Sorry. Come here. Sorry. Don't worry. Everything will be fine. Oh? Yeah.
Babe.
Yes.
Can I ask you something?
Go ahead.
Why do you want me to marry your little sister? I mean, we've been seeing each other for a very long time and we deserve to settle down.
James, you know, I mean, we've talked about this over and over again. Have you forgotten? My parents chose her for you. And your parents accepted.
It doesn't matter.
Come on, James. If you look at everything like... It does matter. I mean, have you forgotten that you are the same age mate with my younger brother, Jojo, James? Don't you get that? The age gap is just too much.
Come on, baby. I've told you this countless times. Age is just a number. It doesn't matter. Come on.
That is what you keep saying. I've told you this several times. As in, I'm older than you by like 5 years. Have you forgotten? Okay, let me ask you something. My parents will not even accept it. Okay, do you wish to marry me instead of my younger sister?
I love you. I love your personality. Come on, we are compatible together. It's just that my parents stepped into this and I had no choice.
I wish there's something I can do. And you know my dad. My dad is going to be so angry. He's going to ask me why I didn't choose someone else instead of you. No. As in, there's nothing I can do, baby. You have to understand. It's so sad that Cassandra didn't went down the aisle with you. I'm not happy about it. Trust me.
My love, what matters here is our happiness, not the age. Please.
It's a sad thing. I mean, I'm going to deal with Obina like he's the one that messed up everything. Cassandra should be married to you by this time. Like, seriously, James, come on.
No problem. But for now, I understand that and I've not gotten off it.
This is not the kind of life I wish for our children. To elope with a man?
A common driver for that matter. Ah! This is ridiculous. Huh? Can you imagine that? Anyway, what has happened, okay? The other time I advised you, let these children be, but you refused. We wouldn't have gotten this kind of shock that we have.
Enough, Chief Lawrence. Don't come here and tell me such nonsense.
Honey, he hasn't said anything wrong. He was only trying to give us kind of advice.
Yes. Are you insulting me? Just because I'm advising you about your own daughter? Oh, come on, Bensi, you went too far. What is it? I just wanted you to let your daughter be. I don't want you to crucify her simply because she committed a minor mistake. Are you insulting me? Huh?
No, I will not relent. I will continue to look for them until I get that boy. I will make hell comfortable for him. He must cry blood from his eyes.
Anyway, I'll forgive you because I know that you are not in your good state of mind. Now come to think of it, yours is even better. You know the whereabouts of your daughter. What of me? Huh? I was told that she has gone to the US. I don't even know where she is or who she's with. Huh? So, considering that, I think you should consider yourself lucky.
He's looking for his daughter's angry.
Come on. He's my good friend. Come on, why are you squeezing like that?
There are things that cannot be, no matter you build them. You can only drag us to the stream.
Hi.
Good morning. Yes. My name is Oga Frank, an automobile engineer.
Yeah. I would love us to see.
That's why I'm calling back. I was not with my phone, but I saw the missed call. I don't know the number. So I said, let me call back. Who is it? Somebody now. Eh? You came to my workshop and they did not wake me up? Okay. Oh, I'm sorry about that. I did not know. Where are you? Tomorrow?
No, anytime is fine. Okay. Will tomorrow be okay for you?
Okay, yes. Tomorrow, 7 or 8 p.m. I'll be free.
Okay. See you then.
Okay, I'll see you. Thank you. Searching for true love, true love is hard. I have been searching for true love, true love is hard to find. Love is sweeter, love is good, love is beautiful. You are my love. You enter my eyes, you enter my heart, you enter my brain. Ibadi go for me, see love more. Yes, I see go me, see you. I have been searching for true love, true love is hard. I have been searching for true love is hard to find. Love is sweet, love is sweet, love is good, love is good, love is beautiful.
We are your best friend, my sister, and her boyfriend elopes too.
Jojo, I've told you before, I don't know.
Anyway, why are you avoiding me?
How, please?
Samadna, you are avoiding me and you know that.
Jojo, can you just get it? We are not dating. Yes, you are not my boyfriend. So what is wrong with you?
For real? So, what happened?
Nothing happened. Let's just say what happened, happened. That is it.
Like, it's a one-night stand. For real?
Whatsoever you choose to call it.
Let me tell you. You don't joke with a rich kid like me.
What is that supposed to mean?
You will go down with me one more time.
Not even in your dreams.
Understand that life does not start from where you are.
It's okay, since you don't know me. You don't know what I can do.
I cooked for you. I hope you will like it. Look, I promise I am not going to give you any form of headache. It's a promise. Why are you like this? I spent my time money and energy to prepare this meal for you, and this is what I'm getting.
See, Sonia, no beg am again, you don't reach. No beg am again, no worry yourself. You get 1 or 2 base where that side, I will carry you go. I go pay you better money, 150,000 naira. Moga they get typhoid and malaria. Give me the food, I go enjoy it. No one eat, I go eat, no worry yourself. I go enjoy it. Don't worry, I go enjoy myself, no worry yourself. I'll come meet you for us. You get malaria and typhoid, no worry,
So you sent that deranged girl to come and destroy my peace, Abi? If I see that girl leg inside this workshop again, I will arrest you. I will arrest your father. I will arrest your entire family and lock you up. May she come here again. I want you to go to the bank for me. May you clear 1 check like that before they close. No be you are there.
Okay, I hear you now. I hear you.
What be that?
Abacha na.
Abacha. So prepare am.
Okay, na Sonia na. Okay, I don't know what they do. You need to do well. This girl is a big cook. She wash her hand well, come cook, give you. You dey play.
This girl will just come up for you now.
That girl? Okay, that girl a professional cook, no play. This girl can cook. Okay, me get 1 egusi soup where this girl arrange. When I eat and finish, now I sleep like we take weed.
Wait, no be only abacha she sabi do.
Okay, me that girl they arrange food. Full okra, egusi, ogbono, vegetable, nothing come on.
You feel good.
Okay, me need to play. Stop playing. Stop playing now. The girl they cook.
See fish.
Yes, now see. The matter high.
See the vegetables.
I enjoy my tea, no. I don't know try to do.
Make her see us.
May you see waiting.
The abacha.
Stop playing. Try and be your abacha. I dey go enjoy.
Let me see the small thing when she
give you waiting.
Ebube.
I go enjoy my abacha.
Ebube.
Okay, me leave me.
Ebube.
Okay, me dey fuck up. Dey fuck up. Man, go enjoy this.
Ebube, if you finish that abacha only you 2 weeks, you don't work for this workshop. No need to bring that thing for where they carry the buga like this. Okay now, chop the abacha finish. Chop the abacha finish.
True love is hard. I have been searching for true love. True love is hard to find. Love is sweeter. Love is good. Love is beautiful. You are my lover. You enter my eyes. You enter my heart. You enter my brain.
You like it?
Yeah, it's nice. Sorry to ask. Were you the one that introduced me to your father to become his personal mechanic?
No.
The father's driver said a lady introduced my name to your father to employ me as his personal mechanic. And who else could it be?
That's interesting.
Wow. Anyways, he eventually gave me the contract to service and be in charge of all the cars at the company. I'm really grateful.
That's you. But wait, you said a lady. No name?
No name. I asked him, he said lady has been located at work.
Perhaps she might be a friend.
I'm thinking so. So he said he wanted to see me.
Yes. Frank, would you love to work in my father's company? Trust me, I can fast track everything.
Nope.
Excuse you?
I'm a boss of my own. I mean, you have been to my workshop. I have my own employees. So why would I want to leave my company and work in your father's company?
Mechanical work is a very tedious work to do.
I like it tedious. Actually, it's my passion. I inherited this job from my father.
So you're telling me you like to look dirty, stained, and all of...
Excuse me?
I'm sorry. I only wanted to help.
I don't need any help from you. This is a noble job. Do you know how long I've been in this profession? Since I was 11. My father saw me through school with this job. Oh, you think I didn't go to school? I graduated first class in mechanical engineering. So I can dismantle any car and couple it back. Let's be clear.
That's hard to believe.
What do you take mechanics for? Touts and layabouts? No. There are noble people in this.
It's okay, Frank. I don't want to battle words with your presence and brief analysis on your perfection.
I'm glad you call it a profession.
Oh my God. Like OMG. This guy is so hot and brainy. Oh my God. I think I'm really into him. But he's a mechanic guy. Why, of all the profession, all the careers, it used to be a mechanic? Why can't I even get the title of my head? The mechanic title. Frank, I like you already. I'm going to have you all to myself. Just your ways.
Which kind of one like this one? Hello? What's in this one now? I'm not getting any money. You give me money, keep. I'm not getting any money. The last money, the man, I borrow from. Where I from carry money come? Okay, I don't get money. I don't get any money. Which hospital? I don't get any money. I don't get any money. I beg. I beg. Leave me, I beg. Man, I don't go crazy. Let me get family.
Baby, calm down now. Come on.
Under my weed, said, man, smoke and man, they feel well.
Weed? Hey, baby, how many times have I told you to stop smoking? Quit it now.
I don't understand for my own house. No, they do that kind of thing, I beg. That kind of thing, no, they. Which one is. I beg. You know what's this head carry? You know what's I carry for this my head? Eh? They won't buy jam form na me. They go put kerosene for stove na me. Papa na don't run, go hospital, go keep himself down. You can't wanna be this one now.
No worry yourself, I understand. Everything will be fine.
Hey, I beg, you know
don't too stress yourself. Don't worry. Everything will be fine.
I don't even sleep again. I don't tire. Which kind? Only me get family. Which one do all this wahala? Oh God. You can't say go hospital, go put in. Which kind wahala?
Oh Jesus, this place is so hot. Why don't you have fun?
Trying to be Papa the hospital again now.
It's okay now. Relax. Just relax and sleep.
Don't tire.
I am sorry, Daddy. I am sorry, Mommy. I am sorry, everyone. I'm sorry to disappoint you. I am forced to run. I am forced to run away. Cause the choice you made for me wasn't my choice. I am forced to run. I am forced to run.
My daughter.
I am forced to run away.
Are you alright? I'm feeling a bit weak and feverish. Is your mouth bitter? Yes, somehow. Are your breasts paining you? Is it heavy? Yes, so auntie. I noticed it last week. It's alright. Everything will be alright. Let's go. Okay. Everything will be alright.
Now I've made my own choice. To whom my heart belongs to. It doesn't matter who he is. He's not a less human being. It doesn't matter who he is. He's not a less human being. We love ourselves.
Oh, okay. We take it there. We are here. We will tell you. You can't get a okay.
He made me go low. I am sorry.
Could they walk? Walk your own. Just where am I? I call you share about walking. Touch.
I am forced to run away. 'Cause the choice you made for me wasn't my choice. I am forced to run away. I am forced to run away. 'Cause this is not my choice. I am forced to run away. It's not my choice. It's not my choice at all. I am forced to run away.
Obim, Assam, please try and eat a little so that you can take your pills, okay?
I don't want to eat. If I eat, I'll throw up.
Just try and eat a little.
I don't want to eat.
I think it's just the change of environment that is wrong with you. You'll be fine. Oh?
It may be.
Sorry.
I want to go and lie down inside. I'm cold.
It's alright, my dear. Everything will be alright, eh?
Sorry, yeah?
It's okay, huh? Obina.
Auntie.
Sit down. She is pregnant.
Pregnant?
Yes. She is pregnant. I am a woman, and I know when a woman is pregnant. She is pregnant. The question now is, what do we do?
Honestly, Chief and the family will just cut off my neck. You don't know Chief, oh. And you know we're only taking refuge here. This is like our hideout place. Auntie, she cannot be pregnant now. It's not possible. Eh?
Obina, does it mean we cannot take some of our kinsmen and our king and go and beg her father so that you can marry her?
Auntie, you're not understanding me. See, Chief is a very mean and wicked person. He's a no-nonsense man. A man that had the mind to freeze the daughter's account. He doesn't even care if she dies.
So what do you intend doing? Because it's a taboo for you to impregnate a woman you have not paid her dowry. What are we going to do?
So let me just think about it first. Let me just think about it. Eh? Let me just think about it.
Obina, anything you're doing, you should be fast about it. Do you understand?
Yes. Are you sure it's not malaria?
I said she is pregnant. It's not malaria. Will I lie to you? No. She is pregnant. But don't worry, everything will be all right. Okay. Don't worry.
You cannot do this to my child. My last child. I feel a part of me is missing. I refuse to sit here watch you do this to her. No way. I won't let you. What is that, Omaralo?
Your daughter has chosen to rubbish my name, my reputation. Didn't you hear the news?
What news? There is no news. What is new about a rich man's daughter ending up with a driver? It's not new. You cannot stop anyone from finding love where they choose to. Can end up even with a tipper driver. Who cares? You know you're going about this as if you have something that is written under somewhere. You don't want to say.
Over my dead body, I would not do it. Your daughter disgraced me. She assaulted me and slapped me on my face. I will disown her, and you should be very careful with me. You.
No. You cannot disown my child from me. Never. Did she kill anyone? She only ran after a driver, which is common with every young girl growing up. That was love.
Now I can see that you are her backbone. I will soon kick you out of this house.
Is it not better I go? Unfreeze her account so that she can eat something. The poor girl is hungry. Unfreeze her account, else I will leave this house for you.
I will not. I will not do it.
She needs to take care of herself. You know the background she's born into. She needs money. Unfreeze her account. Whether she's studying at Heaven's Gate or whatever, she needs to live her life. Oh, this your high horse. Drop it, Chief.
Please let me be. Let me be. I want to rest. Let me be. What is wrong with you? I think I'm done with this discussion. Please let me be.
Whether you're done or not, just unfreeze her account. That's all I want. Else I will leave this house for you.
You leave. You should leave. You should better leave the house. So that I can rest. Yes.
Okay. I go nowhere until you freeze that account. If you think I will go so that you treat her like trash, I go nowhere. I die here. Okay, Mendo. Better unfreeze that account, oh.
I will not do it.
You will not rest now.
Hey girl, that dude is so handsome. Gosh, I like him already. There is a but. He's a mechanic guy. It does matter, trust me. It matters. Just think about it. Me getting married to a mechanic guy. My dad won't accept it. He won't take it from me. What about Sandra? Don't compare both cases. Remember we were planning to go to her wedding after my sister's wedding. But what did she do? She eloped with her father's driver. That's so demeaning. Gosh. Enough of Sandra. Okay, talking about her. Did she even talk to me about it? No, we never had any conversation regarding her eloping with the nonsense driver. Baby, enough, please. Me, I'm not going to bring down myself to end up with the mechanic guy. I'm only going to pierce into his heart, pretending to be a nice girl, yeah? Then after that, I'll try and make him leave the job. If he doesn't, I'll make him fall in love with me, then I'll dump him. Yes, that's it. You don't need to bother yourself. It's easy for me to do. Just leave it for me. Sit back and watch. Alright girl, I need to go. Talk to you later. Wow. Just like that.
Ebube! Where is this guy? Ebube!
Somebody call.
Busy the call, I beg. I don't want to answer her. Go get me spanner 14.
Spanner 14.
Hurry up, I beg. 14.
14 spanner.
Ebube, hurry up now. Hurry up, let me finish this thing and face another work.
This one, no.
Who carried this girl come my work? Can you butter this girl in my workshop?
Oga, you know complete. This one, 10.
You well like this? I said, man, you give me spanner size 14. You go back all this thing. Call they count for me. 1, 2, 3.
Shout, Oga. You said 14 spanner.
Number 14. You go see where they write out for the spanner. Go tell Efium or Eze or Nadoze may they give you spanner. You can't carry this thing. Can't they do me 1, 2, 3?
Before tell me now, why you dey shout?
If you're not ready to learn mechanic work, make you tell me, make you go fry a car or do anything. Not come here, come to do this kind of rubbish. We don't get time for you.
Make I see this size 14 really, bro.
See them. Then they write them by the side. Do quick, make I finish this work. Face another thing. But tell them not age. I say 1, 2, 3. Now 14 spanner. Hey, I got look all over, man. I got fear.
She asked me to tell you all that she is perfectly fine. She only needs time. And that she has gone in search of a man whom her heart will love. A man of her dreams and not yours. And she promised to be back to the country once she finds this man.
It's all right. But where exactly is she? I mean, which country?
She's in London, sir.
London? I doubt.
That's what she told me.
But why is she not taking her calls?
How can I stay a whole day without hearing my daughter's voice? It's so painful. Please tell her to open her line so that we can be communicating with her, please.
Ma, she's scared of your reactions. So she asked me to apologize on her behalf for the disappointment and the shock. And believes that you all will understand that she embarked on this journey to find true love and whom she will love back for who he is.
Dad, Mom, it's okay. No need to worry anymore. I believe she's fine. Just like she said, she's out there looking for true love. All we can do now is wish her the best of luck and hope that she comes back with her missing ring. That's it.
Please, my dear. Tell her that we miss her a lot. We miss her so much, please. Tell her to open her line. We need to be talking, please.
Alright, ma. I will do just that.
Please, tell her that all I did was because of my love for her. Okay? I didn't mean any harm. You know, by trying to matchmate her, you know. But obviously we're wrong because your generation is different from ours. Okay? So please tell her to forgive us and that we are waiting for her. Whatever man she brings, we are going to accept. Okay? Yes, tell her to open her line, like my wife said, so that we can be communicating with her. Okay?
Alright, sir.
Okay, Dad. Let me walk her out.
Alright, sir.
It's alright. Everything will be fine. You know, at least we know her whereabouts now, so our minds are at peace.
My aunt confirmed that you are pregnant.
Yes, we confirmed it last night.
Wow. Are you scared?
Come on, don't be scared through this.
Why won't I be scared? My job is not enough to take care of you. Well, how would I go about it?
I know. I have 100,000 naira. Okay. I can sell my phone and my hair. With that, we can start up a provision shop. What do you think?
I have 50,000. I can bring you so that you don't have to start.
That's good. It's 50,000 and 100,000.
Okay. That sounds quite relieving.
Yeah. I miss my mom and I miss my home. Because my mom is the only person that understands me. But it's fine. Let's go.
Come. Why did you even run away, sir? Eh? Why did you run?
You're asking me. I ran away because of you. Stop, Joe. I'd never run away now. You've not been the one to be. Now, by now, I'll be answering Mrs. James. It's not late though. I can just go back and answer Mrs. James.
See, you better go, because if I was in your house, I would have eaten my 3 square meal comfortably without stress. See me here.
Are you regretting this?
Yes. Come on, I was joking.
That's expensive, Joe.
But you know I'm not lying there. We won't be invited to eat if we were in your father's house.
From my father's house? You are still going to be the driver that you are. And I will be Mrs. James. Maybe I will, by that time you will be driving me. I will tell you, hey, take me to supermarket. Take me to church. That's what you want.
I think I will take this option.
Baby, that's how I see the matter. I said this woman come like this, clear my father hospital bill.
Are you serious?
I didn't tell you. Like said that one no rich, He paid my sister YX fee.
It's a lie. Wait, so who be this woman? Where did she come from?
I don't know. I don't see this woman with my 2 naked eye like this. And the doctor, they tell me the matter. Now I say God. So they say they get this kind of life for this world. I didn't tell you.
This is good. In fact, this is the best news I've heard since I came to this place.
As I they think I won't use my father hospital bill. I won't use. Babe! And this woman just can't do this miracle for me.
Oh, my dear. But this is the best news I've received since I came to this place.
If you talk again, no.
Just like that.
Babe. Bobby Bafana. Sonia the baby. Sonia the baby.
What is it? Why are you hating me?
Babe, why you start this work? It shock me, babe. Why is wrong this matter?
My sister, I insisted. I did not agree. Of course, you know he doesn't have option.
You see this small guy, and are you fit? Look how they do anyhow, they do any. Now people like you gallant. You insist. I like that grammar. You know where? Baby, I'm happy for you.
You're crazy. Alpha, what of call is your boyfriend?
Ask me a better person. They ask me a person we don't die. We papa, we go punish him, papa and him, mama. They crazy. That guy, that nonsense person, that rubbish. 2K. Man, add for my transport fare, go village. This guy no fit give me. Very stingy boyfriend. Very stingy guy.
Everybody, you're very crazy. You don't even know if he has.
I know has. You know has 2K. God they punish him. Now me they give that guy food for the matter. And they run with for that guy.
Okay, he just say 2K easy. He the beggar.
Who found me 2K? Boyfriend, what person they get? No fit give you 2K. 2K. God they punish her. Who they kill her? If I see, I don't want you to call his name for you. Baby, I get waiting at the reason as I all day here. So what is it? That your boyfriend matter. Mo run am now. See this customer. The guy makes sense. Mo use and run am now. Mo go my to go find out your boyfriend now.
Which car?
See now, customer car. That car makes sense. Mo go.
Everybody see. I am not in this with you, okay? I am not going to agree to this. Stay away from that car.
You know what? You know what? You don't want to see your boyfriend?
Oga shift.
You don't want to go look for your boyfriend?
Everybody see. You've brought so much trouble into this place. Remember Oga Frank? Please, avoid, don't involve me in this. That's it. Just don't involve me in it.
See, go calm down more on this thing. No worry yourself.
Who's there?
See, how they come or reason this matter. They go now.
Who's there? See, what's there for you?
You're welcome. What do I have for you, please?
First of all, I must commend you have a nice place.
Thank you, ma. This is where we are managing. So what do I offer you?
Okay, I want champagne. Guess you don't have that, right?
I will get you something that you will like. 1 minute.
Okay, but not soft though.
No. Here we are.
Frank.
Yeah?
Champagne.
You want more?
No, fine, trust me.
So how is your father, Chief?
He's fine.
Good.
Frank.
Yeah.
Champagne.
Okay then, in that spirit, I should get the bottle. I know you like it.
No.
Don't worry,
I'm
you like
okay,
it.
trust me. No, it's fine.
Like it.
Frank.
Babe, he offered me champagne. I'm so surprised because I wasn't expecting it from him. I'm jokingly ordered sweets. I was just joking, take it serious already. Seriously, I like it. Seriously, I like it. But the thing is, how can I get this is just over my head? It's a total turn off for me. I'll try, yeah?
What has come over you? Why did I ask this bird to get me a cup of juice and you asked her not to do it?
You don't need any juice. We need to talk about our daughter. As a matter of fact, now. What juice are you talking about? Is it time for juice?
Talk about what?
About our daughter.
A disgraced child? Can you hear yourself? Can you hear yourself? Look, I will not do it. Can you hear yourself? In fact, I'm looking for that boy. And if I get him, I will make sure I make hell his next abode.
My daughter is not a disgraced child. She only chose the path she wants. What did she do wrong? She found love and she followed after her heart. Is it because you don't know love? That's why you're kicking against the whole idea. What is it?
By eloping with a driver on her wedding day.
I stand with my daughter on this. Yes, I am done playing nice. It's my daughter we are talking about. What is wrong with you? She chose love. Oga, she must come back to this house. I want her back to this house. This is her house.
She will not. She will not. Please, let me be.
Unfreeze her account.
I will not do that.
I have spoken to the accountant. He said until you speak to him, he will not unfreeze that account. Go and unfreeze that account. Speak to him. Instruct him.
I, Chief Benson, will never speak to him. And my word remains final.
Yes. So you want my daughter to die, right? Okay?
I don't care.
I will make this house unbearable for you and the rest of your other children. Rubbish.
Chief Benson, do it. I will not do it. Over my dead body. Nonsense.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday,
Happy birthday to you.
How old are you now? How old are you now?
We don't know now.
How old are you now? Oga, how old are you now?
Answer that question. Over to you. You jump for the question.
Thank you very much. I am very appreciative of this. I did not expect this, so who organized this thing for me?
It's Sonia now. Correct name.
Thank you. Make a contact.
Okay, let's go. J E S U
Okay, I have a little gift for you. Happy birthday once again.
Thank you, man. You buy gift for me. Nobody has given me a gift for my birthday before. Thank you.
Oh yeah, share the drink for everybody. Nah, your mate.
Okay.
This person that brought this thing is your mate too. It's your mate.
You do it. You do it. Yes.
Okay, no. Person that brought this thing is your mate.
Okay, chill. Let me get together. You fuck off. Yeah.
Yo, people, don't.
Yes. Eat cake. Yes.
See, call the cake very well, though.
I will.
See. You don't go give her that. Now your mate bring the gift. Give us.
You talk anyhow. You do the talk anyhow. I will change that for you. I will change that for you. Take it, don't mind.
So you don't get respect for God that day again.
Get out. You do anyhow.
You give that thing. This also junior boy for one shot. Junior boy.
Take cake and eat.
I want to chop cake.
Surprise! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, my love. This is for you. And here's your gift.
Hey! So Madina.
I have been searching for true love. True love is hard. I have been searching for true love. True love is hard to find. Love is sweeter.
Tell me, can't you see how much I love you? I don't get it. You are intelligent, you're smart. You're everything I want in a man.
Moreover, this is the best you can have for your birthday.
Hey, I'm still trying to wonder how you got access into my house. But I decided to leave it because I figured one of my keys is missing from the lock. Now, wear your clothes. I do not celebrate my birthday like this.
Thank you.
Should I make a wish?
If you want to.
Thank you. I I wish myself more wisdom, self-control, and understanding. Amen.
Sam, why are you shy? Ain't you man enough?
No, wear your clothes.
Fine. I actually thought we could have a mini celebration and after that go and have fun. Don't worry. We're going to go out based on me. How about that?
Oh, okay, fine. We can. No, I'm just coming back from work. I need to go and freshen up.
Yeah.
Go and freshen up first.
I have been searching for true love. True love is hard. I have been searching for true love. True love is hard to find. Love is sweeter. Love is good. Love is beautiful. You are my lover. You enter my eyes. You enter my heart. You enter my brain.
Hello, Oga. Good evening. And I'm Sonia, and I want to talk to you. Sonia, take.
Hello.
Yeah, hello? Yes, I'm home now.
Good evening.
Yeah, just glancing at it, it's very beautiful. Thank you so much. Of course, I like it very well. That's why I'm calling. I have it in my hands. It's beautiful. Thank you very much. I really do appreciate. Tonight? Sorry, I cannot go out with you guys tonight. I already have a date planned for today. But not to worry, next time. Okay, thank you.
So what's up? What's it done?
It's not going to. He has a date.
I beg that one a lie. Morgan no get girlfriend. I say Morgan no get girlfriend. Maybe not sleep. You know say you too like sleep. Not sleep, you won't sleep.
What are you speaking from? He's a fine man, so every girl will want to be around him.
Morgan no get girlfriend. I know wetin I dey tell you. He no get girlfriend. Now sleep, they catch him.
It's not working, so.
Bobby, how you carry get money buy all those things?
My life savings.
You empty your account for Oga. What a heavy, girl.
What's the reason?
Oga don't they enter your eye.
Ta.
But Oga they enter your eye. Your Oga they enter your eye.
Hey, Chris, look, I just did what I did for him to feel loved.
Yeah.
Right? He has tried for us, so that's my little way of appreciating him. That's it.
I hear you. Sonia.
Leave me a bit.
Sonia.
Come on here. You did, Chris.
I got to enter your eye.
So, ma, it's... Where did she go? So, ma! I thought she said she's taking me on a date. So, ma!
I have been searching for true love. True love is hard. I have been searching for true love. True love is hard to find. Love is sweeter. Love is good. Love is beautiful. You are my lover. You enter my eyes.
Why is she not picking her call now? Why is she not picking her call again? Somebody that... You see why I don't like making friends with this woman? Eh? Wear your clothes that I don't celebrate birthday like that. You go away. How the man?
And where are you coming from?
Dad, good evening. Mom, good evening.
Young lady, where are you coming from?
Okay, I went to see a friend.
You went to see a friend? Now listen, it's the last time you will excuse yourself from the company's board meetings.
You are aware that your elder sister is not around. And you are trying to mess up your father's company.
But I'm not the manager.
Oh, you are waiting for your father to tell you that you need to stand for your sister. Elsa Madina, you have to be very, very careful. Be careful!
This guy disturb my phone like this. Holy, what's happened now? Why did he disturb my phone? You can't nonsense him with this one. Then they call my phone again now. What's they worry you? I bet they call my phone, Joe. Nonsense.
Baby, don't you think you should forgive this boy?
I beg. Don't put your mouth for calling this matter. Just leave him. See what? Holy, what's happened now? You don't go sleep. You don't go leave my phone alone. So wait see. Organic, they call my phone. I beg. I don't do again. They call my phone. Don't call this phone again. Oh, we're gonna punish you as well.
I'm very sure you still love this guy.
Love waiting. I beg. I don't love anybody. I carry the love madman. I beg. I don't love him again.
Okay.
Let me even call you baby.
What's the worry this guy now?
Just pick the call. Pick it now. Just answer him.
Hello?
Hello?
Oga?
Yeah, Ibube. You say you want to take me out today. I'm free. I did not go anywhere. Yes, I'm at home.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yeah. Babe. Hey.
What did you say?
Oga say make we prepare, come outside, you dey wait for us. Hey! Yes, now. Oga say make we go. I need to call Nna Dozie, make them come out. Hey! Today go hot, oh. Yes, call them.
Mom, what is it? This is not nice now. This is total invasion of privacy. Mom, you can't do this in here.
Shut up! Mom, will you shut up? This is not US. This is my house. Until you must have built your own house, moved into it, you have no right to talk to me like that. I am the one that is entitled to invade on anyone's privacy in this house because this is my husband's house. And I'm making this.
By 2 a.m.
Why are you directing it? Why is it that you always direct everything to me?
You are now your father's backbone. He now listens to you more than he does to me. I want you to talk to your father to unfreeze your small sister's account. Tell him to call them now, they're in the board meeting, so that he will instruct the accountant to unfreeze your sister's account. I want your sister to starve.
Mom, so I cannot have peace. I can't sleep in peace. In my own room. In my father's house again. Eh? God.
You can leave your father's house if you want.
I want to leave, Mom. I'm tired.
Yes, now?
Where's begging leave?
Mom, let's go. You cannot win this game this night.
No, I don't understand. Don't hold me, I'll slap you. No, don't hold me like that. Are you mad? So you want to get me out of here, right?
Oh.
I die here.
That is...
Oh, thank goodness. Daddy, thank God you're here.
Daddy, good morning, sir.
Thank God you're here. Good morning, sir.
What is going on here?
Don't freeze your daughter's account is what is going on here. Yes.
Dad, please. I'm so happy that you are here. Take your wife and go to your room. Please.
Dad, please help us.
Is that why you are waking the neighbors by 2 a.m.?
I don't care. Do I look like I care? Also, no, do I look like I care? Mother is not here. She's dying of hunger and you want me to sleep? But I told you I'll make this house unbearable for all of you. It just started.
Dad, please, let us settle this matter now.
Wow. Eh? I support you on that one.
We'll settle it right now so you can carry your wife and go to your room.
Do you know what, Juliet? This is the most responsible thing you have said in your life since I gave birth to you.
Good night to all of you. Yes, I will not do it. If you like, you can pull down this room. For all I care, I will not do it.
Please.
Stay with your children.
Please. I'm begging you. Carry your wife and go to your room. Please. Please, Dad. I mean, I want to sleep.
Dad, help us. Just help us.
You can pull down this roof if you want. For all I care, I would not do it.
You will do it.
Chief, Benson,
Dad.
Good night, everyone.
Oh, good night, Mom. Thank God. Finally, I can sleep. Jojo, please, excuse me. Go to your room. Come on, you're already sleeping.
We'll talk about our conduct tomorrow.
Talk about what? Mind your business. Mind your business, Jojo. Go and sleep. God, finally, I can now sleep.
Madam, good afternoon. Hi. It's like you have an issue with your car.
Yes, sir. I've been here for the past 20 minutes.
Oh, I'm sorry about that. What could be the problem, please?
Are you a mechanic?
No, he is not. He's only trying to render you a help.
Oh,
please, let's go.
I'm so sorry, sir. Pardon me. Actually, my car checked and hot to start. I don't know what's wrong with the car. Two guys have stopped. Yes, sir. Two guys stopped to help, but they could not fix it.
I think I can figure out what could cause that. Let me check. Yeah.
What are you trying to do?
I observed that one of the fuses is not properly connected, but I fixed it. Please start the car. Let's see. Thank you. Be on my way now.
No, please, let me find you something.
No, don't worry.
Don't worry.
Keep it to yourself. You could
Okay.
do something better.
Thank you.
Alright, thank you, ma. Thank you, sir. Bye.
I don't know what you're talking about. All I know is that anybody who needs my help, no matter what time and day, I'm going to render my services. That's why I'm a professional.
I was really proud of this job. Like seriously, Frank, we are headed here to have a good time. But what did you do? You embarrassed me. That is what you did. You just stopped to help a total stranger. Wait, are you sure she's really a stranger? Tell me.
What are you trying to stir up?
What if I'm not comfortable with what you do?
Why do you keep assuming? Why so much insecure? Listen, we have come here to relax. I don't want anything to spoil this mood, please.
You already spoiled it. Yes, you have already spoiled it, and thanks to you.
So Madina, if you do not want us to have this realization like we have come to, I will gladly leave. I have no time for drama now, please. Waiter!
What are you even saying? Look, Soma, it's high time you stopped prying into my affairs. This is getting unbearable, for God's sake. We shouldn't even be having this conversation. I'm in my house. Soma, don't block my cover. I don't want to see whatever it is that you're saying. I don't want to see it. Or even if my family member finds out about our affair, Soma, she won't like what I will do to you. I swear to God, I will hate you for life, and you know what that means.
So Madina, you are crying. What is the matter? Are you okay?
I'll be fine, Mom.
You miss your sister, right? I miss her too. I never wish this to happen. Son, Mama, do what makes you happy. Hence, it's right in the sight of God. Yes, you are now a grown woman. I don't want what happened to your sister to happen to you. It's all right.
Thank you.
Yeah, they should be home by now. Thank you so much. Good night. Boo-boo, what do you think you're doing? My friend, get up and go to the bathroom.
I don't tired as I hear so. Alcohol for my head like this.
I warned you, didn't I? I warned you, didn't I? I told you. I saw the way you were busy swallowing drink as if you're eating fufu. Now look at your life. Madam, get up and enter the shower.
Hey, I'm tired.
Anybody stand up and shower. I don't want to come back and see you there.
Hello? Well, I guess you are home, Abby. Okay, now. Alright, bye-bye. What's that?
You don't clean your mouth. Wait, see.
That must be my mom years of apple.
Stop eating now.
Stop what? See, it's in your mouth too.
Are you serious? Wait.
Well, it's true now. Hi.
Wow.
I feel like I should not even cut any more day today. I should just be like this with you from morning till night.
Me too.
Why are you not walking?
Please, I'm dropping everything on my knees. I can't even think straight. I can't concentrate anymore. Frank, I'm in love with you. I can't hide it.
So Madina, there's just one thing I want to tell you. You really have to cut down on your opinion of people you think are not of the same class as you.
Frank.
Serious. How can you walk into my workshop and impose unconditional love on me?
My love for you isn't conditional.
You asking me to leave my work? Abandon all my dreams and all the hard work I've put in to come and work in your father's company. Why don't you leave your own work and come and work in my father's company? What's wrong with you working? What's wrong with you working here?
Frank, this is different.
There is no difference. This is my father's workshop. The whole of this place is his own. It was from this workshop that he paid my school fees, that he trained me till I became who I am today. Now you want me to abandon it? It's exactly the same thing as yours. Yes, we're on the same level. That company is your father's legacy, just like this is my father's legacy. Now you want me to forgo my father's own legacy and come and work on your own? Haba now. Haba.
Hey.
Hello. What are you doing here? Jojo, what's going on? This one you just barged in like you're a soldier. Are you coming to arrest me? Okay. I know you're here to discuss about what you saw in my room last night.
Yes. Who was that guy that you sneaked into your room last night?
I said it. Jojo, I did not sneak anybody into my room. I did not sneak any man into my room. And we're not talking about that.
What is Condom doing in your room? And why did you not follow Mom out of your room? Because you know the dude is hidden in that room. I purposely did not want to mess your plans up. I would have fished out that guy.
Jojo, I've warned you severally. Please stay out of my business in this house. Do you understand? And stop talking about what you do not know. I don't even have your time, please. You just came to obstruct what I was doing.
Where do you think you are going to? I should learn to mind my business. So just going to make my business.
My dear, it is not with us. I swear. I don't understand anything anymore.
Mrs. Benson.
Sir.
I'm sorry for keeping you waiting. Okay?
Thank you, sir.
Meanwhile, I can appreciate what you're going through. As for the account issue, I'm going to talk to my friend. I believe he will have a change of mind. Okay?
I'm just hoping on that, sir.
But why would he freeze her account? Sandra with Steph.
The worst is that I don't even know where she is. I don't know how she's coping. I don't know how the poor girl is coping. I'm tired.
It's okay.
It's all right. I know my friend. He's very strict. Once he ties, he doesn't lose. But I know how to talk to him. I believe he will do something about it. Okay?
I will appreciate it if you do. Honestly, I am breaking down by the day. I miss my child. I miss my daughter.
It's okay, my friend. It's okay. Please calm down.
These children, they don't know what we go through.
It's okay. Yeah? We're both wearing the same shoe. I miss my daughter too.
These children, they don't even know what we go through thinking about them.
I don't know. What is wrong with children of nowadays?
You don't care. They don't care about us. They don't.
Honey, please, like you said, help talk to him. Let him unfreeze the account, please.
Sweetheart, you don't need to beg me, okay? I've already told her that I will do something about it, so just be rest assured that I'll try my best, okay?
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
It's okay.
I'll be expecting a change of mind from him. Thank you.
Hey! Auntie Sonia. Auntie Sonia, why now? Why come be now? Now you come out from this house. The only friend what I get for this house. Now where even little money no dey my hand. Now I come out. The only friend do I get for this house. Will be saying anytime why I make cat to laugh. Even she will just give me money. Oh, Auntie Sonia, this is no dey good at all for my body. Hey.
Daddy. Now waiting. You don't decrease.
Wetin be that? Wetin? Oh yeah, wetin happen?
No shout my name. No just shout for me. Now waiting now. Now me dey hold our salary. Eh?
See, I dey my own here. Now you can't carry this with your two left leg. Come dey baby. Maybe say you know how to talk. You go to talk inside nose. I don't know when they call me baby. Abi they call me baby.
Leave am like that for me. Baby.
Waiting.
Calm down, Joe. Calm down now.
Don't come close. I don't know when you want to kiss me.
I know they come close.
No, they talk.
You hear say they talk say they no go pay us salary for this month.
Now what are they talk now? Hey!
What we go do now?
Hi! Now be the thing why they cry here. Say you say Auntie Sonia dey, Mama down. Yeah, I not go suffer at all now. If I make her to laugh, anytime I see her, that 5,000, 10K, you go to come out now. I take her, they hold myself. If say she dey, this sapa no go come near me.
Chai.
Auntie Sonia.
Na true where you talk, oh. Chai. I dey miss am oh. Wetin we go do now? David, wetin we go do?
See, no be wetin we go do. No be wetin dey talk wetin you go do. I dey think of myself.
I'm begging you.
Listen,
Give
no.
me a chance to prove my love.
Don't
to
prove
you.
anything.
I want to.
My heart is not going that way.
Please, Frank.
No!
I love you.
You don't love. Listen to me. Like I said, you love me and you don't like what I'm doing. What are you doing, somebody now? Somebody now! What are you doing? Do you what? Hey, Sonia. You see, just what you have caused. Sonia! Sonia! Sonia!